You like that carrot? Does that feel good to your teeth? No. There's that face again. No. Try it on your gums. Right there, where it hurts. No? Try it again. Try it by yourself, huh? Miss Independent. Try some Cheerios. Or a Puff. A Puff is a good choice. Baby girl, anything else you run across, you put in your mouth. You can't put food in your mouth? I'm just tempting you. You were such a mess. Pick it up, I know you can. Pick something up and put it in your mouth. Here, try a Cheerio. Try it. Am I torturing you? So sad. You're so sad. What do you think about it? Was it yummy? Try Puff, that's a good choice. You're so silly.